this piece for about $15 from a flea market. It's hideous right now and smells like cheap perfume, but when I'm done with it, it's going to be something wonderful. Stick around. I started this project by taking the screws out, and I held on to the hardware for later use. The outside of this cabinet was covered in a thick foil-like solid material that I wasn't sure what it was, but it was sticky and rather hard to pull out, so I had to bring out the heat gun. The material was very sticky and I had to keep reheating it and keep peeling it and keep fighting with it, and at the same time trying not to burn my fingers in the process. As I did right there. Ouch. The struggle continued as I continued to peel the sides and the top of the cabinet. And this is what it looked like once I was done peeling the sticky material. I then sanded it and filled in the holes. At this point, I'm priming it with an automotive primer by Rust-Oleum. I like this primer because it goes on smooth and it's easy to sand. And this is what it looked like after I had primed it. This is my favorite part of the project, which is painting. I ended up using a latex paint, Valspar Fait Accompli, which was some leftover paint from a previous project I did on bookshelves. I ended up using about 3 or 4 coats of it since it's so dark, just to make sure I had even coverage. At this point, I'm using a satin polyacrylic. This step is not necessary, but I went ahead and did it anyway, just to make sure the paint finish was more permanent. And this is an insider secret wax. I waxed the inside rails and the sides of the drawers just to make sure they didn't stick while opening and closing. I waxed the outside of the piece because I like the smooth finish that the wax provided. And here I'm using a template that I made out of tracing paper to mark the locations for my card holders and my lion's head brass bowls. I bought my card holders from Amazon, 26 for about $10. I also bought my lion's head poles from Amazon as well for about for less than $20 for 5 in a pack. I ended up buying about 2 packs because I had 2 left over from a previous project. Four down, 8 more to go. I bought this corner brackets from Habitat for Humanity. It had about 4 for $2 a pack. And once again, the before, a tired, beat down piece that nobody wanted. To a gorgeous, shining piece that I just love. I'll let you guys be the judge.